Here's the question that we have. It says, in a certain country, the income tax of individuals who make less than or equal to $100,000 per year is calculated according to this piecewise function. And we see that x is the income of the person and t of x is the tax that the person has to pay. First part, we are going to make a sketch of the graph of this function. And we see that we have three pieces and they are all linear, so we can expect to have three line segments. And this is how we can do it. Let's go ahead and just draw our x and y axis first. And we are going to make these numbers on the x-axis first. So we are looking at 9,000, so I'll put it down right here. And of course, none of this is drawn to scale. So let's say 9,000 is here, and let's say 50,000 is here, and lastly, let's say 100,000 is here, like $100,000. Like, who doesn't want that? All right, now we will have to calculate the y value, and because they are all linear, we can just do the following. First, I'm going to be plugging this number into this x, so that will give us a starting. And when we do that, we see we get 0.08 times 0, and that's just 0. And I'll just put it down right here. Next, we put 9,000 in here, so we are getting 0.08 times 9,000. Work that out, we get 720. So we'll just go up to 720, and let's say 720 is right here. And then that's the second point, and then we can just connect the dots. So that's the first one. And right here, the slope is technically this, which is 0.08, which is really small, but again, this is non-drawn to scale, all right? So that's the first piece. And then for the next piece, I'm going to do this in black. We do the same thing. Just put 9,000 into here, and I will write down the work for you guys. This is 0.11 times 9,000 minus 9,000, and then we add 720 after that. This is just nicely equal to 0 times that, and then plus 720, we get 720. So we actually start right here. This is actually a continuous function. There's no jump, all right? And then we'll just do the other one. We put 50,000 into here. So we get 0.11 times 50,000 minus 9,000, and then we add 720 after that. Use a calculator if you would like, and I will tell you guys the answer is 5492.8. So we will have to go up, let's say about right here, 5,492.8. And then I'm just going to put another dot. Well, as you can see, the slope of this line, it's actually 0.11, which is bigger than 0.08. So that's why we do see a little bit steeper line. So it's like this, and then go up, all right? Okay, and then for the last one, I'm just going to do this in blue, and then we do the same thing. We put this in here, so we get 0.20 times 50,000 minus 50,000, and then we add 5492.8. And if we work that out, this right here will give us 5492.8. Yeah, so we start right here. So we picked up from where we left off earlier. And lastly, we put 100K in here, so we get 0.20, and we have 100K. So let's see, we need another 0 minus 50K, and then plus 5492.8. And again, for this right here, we'll just have to do it on the calculator if you would like, and then you can just multiply and then combine, and we will end up with, this is a slightly bigger number, 15492.8. Yeah, $15,000 492 and yeah, $15,492.80. Yeah, so it's actually like triple of the place of the 5,000 almost. So I will just have to do this. So I'm just going to extend this right here, because this is like 54, right? And I will just go up to, let's say right here, maybe right here, 15,000 492.8. Yeah, and then I'm going to put it down right here, and then you can see that the slope is even higher. So this is going to be the graph. Of course, this is going to be prettier, but yeah. And just to let you guys know, the 0.08 in this case will represent the tax rate, right? Because we're talking about how much tax we have to pay. So this is the income tax rate. And then in fact, once you make more, once you get into this tax bracket, anything over 9,000, you will have to pay 11%. And then anything after $50,000, you will have to pay 20%. So that's pretty much how tax works. Okay, for part B, we just have to calculate the income tax of a person if the person's income is 46,000. Well, this right here is in between of 9,000 and 50,000. So we just have to plug in 46,000 into this formula here. So we will get 0.11 times 46,000 minus 9,000, and then we add 720. All right, so we will do this on the calculator real quick, and we will get $4,790. So this right here will be the tax that the person has to pay. Yep. Okay, part C. Well, now we have another person. The person makes $72,000. So that means we will have to look at this right here. So we plug in the X right here, right? So we get 0.20 times 72,000 minus minus 50,000 here, and then plus 5,400, and work this out on the calculator. We will get, ready, $9,892.80. And as usual, as I told you guys in your class, the more you make, the more you pay. Yep, just like that.